Clank? Clank? Come on, wake up!
Captain Quark?
No, goofball. It's me, Ratchet.
What happened?
You got toasted by lightning. This place is having one heck of a storm. You won't be safe out there. I'll be right back.
Okay, in this planet we don't have Clank to back us up. So no gliding for us. This planet has some, I think 3 missions. I hate this places with ice on the floor. I think this way is to find Quark. What? Oh, come on. For God's sake, I never died in that part. It's so annoying. This only happens to me while I'm recording, believe it or not. I don't know if it's because I want to be perfectionist that these kind of things happen. No! Oh crap. Thank God he... Oh, come on. No, 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 what the fuck? I don't... Oh! I don't understand this shit. Oh, of course. I don't double jump and I get hit. Oh, come on. I think there's a gold bolt around here. Not really sure. But I'm not going to get it. Okay.
Captain Quark!
Where?
Come on, Quark, I know it's you.
The name's Steve. Pleased to meet you.
Look, Steve, I need to know where Drek is before it's too late.
Did you say too late?
Sir, it is never too late to acquire the latest in the long line of quality products from Gadgetron. I have for you, today only, the Gadgetron PDA.
Public display of affection?
No, personal delivery assistant.
This device allows you to purchase ammunition wherever and whenever you want it.
Yeah? How do I know it works?
You can always trust Gadgetron quality, or my name's not Steve.
Yay.
Thank you, and have a quark-tastic day.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Busted. What's this? Take the text to the upper city, okay? Let's go there. Oh, I hate these. Hello again, misters. I'm going to annihilate you. Sorry to inform you about that, but you guys are pretty annoying. I was trying to do a long jump, but I forgot I haven't got Clank with me. Oh, come on. No. Oh, I managed to survive that one. Oh, I managed to not get hit by that. What was the other one? The one that I'm supposed to pick now. Right, there it is. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Okay, now. What should I? Should be good enough to go. And now to get the first morphing weapon Ratchet Clank ever had.
Sweet!
Congratulations! You just found a Gadgetron Morph-Array. Hold down the circle button and keep the beam focused on an enemy. When the meter is full, the enemy will transform.
And we got the information of basically what this weapon does. It turns enemies to chicken. Which is neat. Amazing. What? It's 3 shots. I'm going to die. Okay, time for plan B. Oh yeah, they go away. Smart game. Ah! Screw those. Full frontal assault. You see what I did there? Because full frontal assault is the name of the new Ratchet Clank game that it's been announced. Although in Europe it's called Ratchet Clank Q-Force. Suck on that. Come to me, Blaster. Come on. Luxis, that's Spacey from YouTube, or Everglow, his new channel, where he is partner. Oh come on, I need to screw myself over. Managed to survive by running. Ah, come on. All from the start. Screw that, I'm going to run away. I don't care, I'm not going to kill anyone. Already killed them once, there's no need to kill them twice, or in this case thrice, 3 times. Come on, get out of my way. Ammo? Thank you. Ratchet didn't want to throw his wrench for some reason. Yay. Bye-bye, middle one. Yay.
Hey, welcome to my shop. What can I get you?
I'm looking for Drek.
Sure, yeah, I got lots of stuff on sale. After the bombing, no one is around to buy anything.
Are you okay?
Low prices? Oh, you bet. I can make you a deal on a busted turburator, a mangled carbonizer, or I got this info bot.
Guess that bombing was pretty loud, huh?
Oh, you're one shrewd negotiator. I'll tell you what. I can let this infobot go for half price. Well, that's about it for me.
Thanks.
Quit your complaining. I gave you a great deal. Jeez!
Afraid to go out at night? Afraid to go out during the day? Just plain afraid? Then you need this! The Ultra Mech Unlimited. This mech is the ultimate in personal defense system. Blue Edge Industries is now taking pre-orders. Get yours before it's too late.
Now that's what I call serious firepower. Clank's gonna be jealous if he sees this.
We can go there, if I'm not mistaken, to get a gold bolt, so I'm not going to do that since I have all the missions completed. Part 2. Oh yeah.
Well, I guess Quark didn't eliminate them.
How observant of you.
Thank you, sir.
How if you were only so diligent in doing your own job?
Yes, sir.
Since our new planet is nearly finished, we need a plan to remove the world that is occupying our selected orbit. This time it must be absolutely foolproof. Time is wasting.
I'm going to Poketaru. I totally forgot about picking up the raritanium. That was my bad, sorry guys. I'm going to pick it up now.
Perfect! This is precisely what I need. You will bring me more raritanium.
You can't be serious.
Well, I tried.
The Persuader is an illegal black market that tricks Gadgetron vendors into giving big discounts on all items. We at Gadgetron trust you not to take advantage of this unsupported.
I do not care.